Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone XS Max, and it is going to be in space gray, the 64 gigabyte model. I can finally get rid of this iPhone 7 Plus. I've had this since the phone came out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I don't think I'm going to need that, like my little trusty knife or whatever. Screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. But let's look around the box. Obviously you got a picture of the phone on the front, and then it just says iPhone on the bottom, or excuse me, on the side, and then on the top of the back of the box you have 64 gigabytes. From there we have a nice little tab that we're able to pull down instead of having to actually cut the box open. That is perfect. Look at that, falls right off. Throw that to the side, and let's go ahead and pop this little cover off. Oh wow, I was actually expecting the phone to be right there. This is how long it's been since I've actually done a fucking unboxing. Alright, well, obviously, we have Designed by Apple in California with a little tab up top to pull. And then, obviously, the phone is brand new right there in the box, looking beautiful. And inside here, we have hello, and I'm pretty sure all of our warranty information, stuff like that. Apple stickers, which you can't go wrong with. And then the SIM ejector. We have that with it as well. Let's go ahead and throw all of that stuff off to the side, and let's get to the main thing of the video. Alright guys, lifting this up out of the box. Whew, this phone is fucking beautiful. Oh my goodness. So according to Apple, this is an OLED iPhone. It is a 6.5 inch display, and it starts from $10.99. So obviously there's pretty much nothing different from the iPhone 10 or the X, however you want to call it. On the outside that I can notice, it kind of looks exact same. It's just processing and, you know, stuff like that. Technical specs. That is kind of like the big difference. All right, throwing the phone off to the side, and let's see what else is inside the box. It looks like, are these going to be AirPods? No, they are not. I was like, wait a second, are they including AirPods now? But these are the wired headphones with, I'm pretty sure it's going to have the lightning adapter on the end of it versus the, you know, aux cable. And then of course you have your charging adapter and your actual charging cable. And that's it. That's in the box. Let's go ahead and get back to the iPhone. Bring that to the center. I'm not going to put that directly on that granite countertop. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on for the first time. And of course you get the trusty Apple logo. Alright, and it is now booted up, and it's saying hello in 50,000 different languages. Go ahead and lift this up. I'm going to actually have to get used to not having a home button anymore compared to my iPhone 7 Plus where, you know, obviously I got the home button at the bottom. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this and scroll up from the bottom. Oh, whoa, now I don't want Chinese because I cannot read that, or whatever the heck that was. Japanese. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and select English. And we're going to go ahead and select the United States because that's where I'm at. Alright guys, so after typing in my Wi-Fi password, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. And I'm actually probably going to have to call Verizon. Alright guys, so pretty much after spending about an hour, maybe and a half, I want to say, roughly on the phone with Verizon, I finally got this phone activated and everything is perfectly squared away. We had to go through a whole bunch of different things because I had phone sharing with this phone and then on my watch. Hour and a half later, this phone is fully set up. The only thing that I need to do now is set up my facial recognition and stuff like that. I'll pull this off the camera and type in my password. But, I mean, it typically, you know, or pretty much looks like, you know, normal iPhone and stuff like that. I do love the feeling. And like I said earlier, one thing I'm definitely going to have to get used to is not having this home button over here. And, you know, being able to quit out of my apps. And obviously I don't have any apps open. But, let's say if I did, you know, let's open up the phone app and everything. And let's open up numbers. But I got to get used to being able to do that. And, you know, be able to quit out of my apps. Alright guys, so I robbed my little sister's phone real quick. So just as a little comparison, this is my old 7 Plus right here. This is the current phone that we're unboxing, the iPhone XS Max or 10s Max, however you want to call it. And then this right here is the 10 by itself. So obviously it's, you know, definitely a size difference and everything. And it pretty much looks the same on the outside. Just the size is different. And then obviously it's a big difference between the actual 7 Plus itself.